search some papers from journals. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
What are the points? What are the points I'm telling? Please note it down.
okay.
Someone started recording. It seems okay. Okay, no problem. Right. Next.
In this actually we are giving inputs images.
Okay. What type of input image you are going to give?
These kinds of nasal cavities, sir. Sinusoidal happens in sinus comes in nasal cavity, sir.
Okay.
So we will give different kinds of inputs for nasal cavity.
This is what type of image? CT scan image, X-ray image, or MRI scan?
CT scan.
CT scan. Okay. Why
Yes.
you have chosen a CT scan?
Because
Why?
sinus is
Why not? Why not
scans.
MRI scan?
So for generally for sinus they will do only CT scan, sir. Maybe we think,
Hmm.
sir, that's why.
Sure. Okay. Next.
Based on this, we will upload images of CT scans, sir. We will try to convolute them in Python, sir.
Okay.
And based on that we will get an output of whether it is a whether it is affected by sinus or not.
Okay.
And that kind of stuff. We have some problems of how to do convolution in Python. That one we have to see, sir. Yet
Hmm.
we didn't find any sources in the internet, sir. Based on that,
Hmm.
that one we are searching, sir.
Okay. Any other points you have?
That one only, sir. We are still
That's
trying to search for that one.
okay. Any
Which
other
way?
paper you have? Downloaded papers? Any more papers?
Yes, sir.
Please open it one by one. More noise is coming. Zoom. Okay.
This is also almost the same concept, sir. Using convolution, we will find out the sinusitis, sir. In this, they are using deep learning, sir.
Okay.
Deep learning techniques.
Deep learning. In deep learning, many techniques are there. Try to identify what methodology, what algorithm they are using under deep learning category.
That one only we have to see, sir, clearly.
See. Okay. Next. Okay. This is another paper you are having. Springer,
yes,
na?
Sir.
The year of publication. Show me the year of publication, sir.
2019, sir. This.
2019. Okay. Right. Slowly go down. Okay, this is Springer paper. Good. Fine. Now, show me the title of this paper, Trinath. Charan is presenting, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Charan is presenting.
Okay. Deep learning classification using convolutional neural network. Okay. For evaluation of maxillary synicities on panoramic radiography. Okay. Deep learning classification. Right. So classification they have done using convolutional neural network technique for evaluation of some work. Okay. Right. Next. Abstract. Okay. Right. Next. So why don't you keep this as base paper for you?
Yes. This one, sir.
This one you can keep it as base paper.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Finalize it.
Okay,
2018 paper, na? Okay.
2019 paper, sir. This one.
2019 or 18?
19.
Here it is written 19, sir.
Okay.
Here
right.
it is written 18.
Sure. Okay. Keep this as a reference paper. Any other paper you have?
Right now, most we searched for some journals, sir, but they are irrelevant, sir. A bit. Most of them are irrelevant, sir.
Okay, okay.
I mean, we are trying to match the matter, sir, as much as possible.
Mm-hmm.
But
Okay.
not a lot
If
of
you are
papers are there on this topic, sir. Only a
okay,
little bit. So we are still trying to see this.
okay, that is good only, which
Uh,
means that no much research work has completed in this field. So
Yes,
if you
sir.
do something in this area, definitely your work will be recognized by many people. You are referring this what it is journal paper as reference, na? Like
sir.
that, if you do something in this rare area, many students like you will refer your paper in forthcoming years. That will happen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you do some keyword search in the Google, more number of papers are coming means what is the meaning? More work has been done on the same field, on the same purpose. Many papers has been published. That is the meaning actually. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. No issues. Now, if you are not getting the paper related paper for your this sinus process, few papers you can download related to sinus, and some more papers you can download related to the methodology what you are going to have here. CNN is the methodology
Convolution.
applied for sinus segmentation. This is one work. So like that, try to download the papers of different algorithms available in deep learning technique, deep learning field. So for that, you need to understand, you need to know what are the different algorithms available in deep learning. For deep learning implementation, different algorithm, you try to search papers related to medical field, not specifically on sinus. Okay. So CNN might have applied on some other for tumor for
It's a brain tumor also.
tumor.
CNN is applied.
Okay, brain tumor related to that, you can download one paper using CNN, using some other technique, deep learning technique applied on same brain tumor. So like that, different algorithm based papers you can download. Now you can choose any one methodology which has been applied for some other purpose. Now you are trying to apply the same methodology for sinus segmentation. Now this may look like a new work. No researcher has done like this. They have applied only CNN for sinus. Okay, take some other technique which has been applied for some other purpose. So why don't you try this? So like this, you need to identify the methodology. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Okay. Proceed next. Next, any other document you have? That's all.
No, sir. The remaining are mostly not related too much, sir.
Okay. How many papers you have totally?
Totally, I think I have 4 papers, sir. Not in this laptop, sir. I actually only downloaded needed ones into this laptop, sir. Remaining are all phones, sir.
Yes, sir. We will post, sir.
Every paper we watched until now, we will post in this group, sir. WhatsApp group.
Okay. Your work speed is too slow. Please speed up your work. Anybody got placed in this team? Who got placement?
No, sir.
Akash is getting places. DXA.
Results are not yet. I have attended interview, sir.
Okay.
No, sir. Results came, sir.
Results yet to publish. Okay, fine. Sharana, Mira?
Not yet, sir.
Okay. So you have to parallelly concentrate on placement also. That is more important than project. Project is much more important than placement. So more has both has equal weightage. You have to concentrate more. If you have drives, any drive in between, definitely we cannot able to concentrate on project. Now immediately what project team will say, within 2 weeks, 2 days we are going to conduct a project review, zeroth review, first review. Okay, now please don't do the mistake of bringing all the documents to the supervisor 1 day before the review. Definitely supervisor, really they don't have time to spend with you. Okay, finally you will be suffering. Due to time, lagging of time, I may not able to correct your mistakes directly. What can I say? In the last minute, okay, no problem, you go and present. Like that, I will say. If you go and present whatever the content you prepared in front of reviewers, they will scold like anything. So for that only, I'm telling now itself, please do all your work. Based on the workflow, you need to work accordingly. Do you have the workflow?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
I have to send that.
Okay.
I have
Don't
this
know
one
where
in
it-
mobile, sir, but in laptop I don't.
Okay, no issues, no
In,
issues.
in group already posted, sir, workflow.
Okay, fine. Please, you disconnect your screen. Disconnect your screen. Once the screen updated, please let me know.
Updated, sir.
See, this is the way of preparing literature survey. In zeroth review, reviewers will ask you like this. What are the papers you have referred related to your project? Title of your project, author name. Okay, na? In which year, which volume it has been published, journal name, name of the journal, what technique they have used. Here you are telling that CNN they have used, like that. What technique they have used, what is the result they have got. 95 based on for this project they have mentioned accuracy as the parameter. So like that, for sign segmentation, there will be some output parameter. If you read the full paper, you will be knowing. So this is the output. This is the way of measuring the algorithm, whether it is working good or not. So here they have chosen accuracy. So like that, there will be some other parameter. You need to identify this. Okay. Now this batch is very lagging. I understand your situation. You are concentrating on placement also, but I cannot compromise project work for placement. Okay. I'm not telling to concentrate only on this. Me itself telling placement is more important. What I'm trying to say is try to do hard work. Try to spend much some more time. If you are not able to concentrate on both sides, you plan accordingly. For 2 hours per day placement, 1 hour per day project, like that you have a timetable. Based on that, you need to work for project daily, otherwise there will not be correct flow, you will not be on track. If you see the same work after 4 or 5 days gap, it looks like a new work for you. Okay, now you don't know ABCD of sign segmentation. You are going to learn starting from zero position. Okay, so you need to prepare this in the same format. Okay, now, and apart from this, after this technique, merits and demerits. So artists will be mentioning this is the advantage of this methodology. Now this is the problem we have identified, or some future work they will be mentioning. So there you can have there you can get the points of advantage and the disadvantage related to the paper. So you can include one more column here after technique, merits and demerits. Okay. Then output parameter. So like that you can have. So for doing this literature survey, minimum 10 papers required. Okay, from reputed journals. Fine. You have shown one paper na Springer that can be kept in the first. So you are going to say that this is my reference work, right? So after completing this literature review, based on the study what I have made, to know the current scenario of the current scenario in this field, I am going to decide any one methodology. This is the methodology I am going to proceed for my project. This is the methodology I'm going to apply for sinus segmentation. Okay, why you have chosen this methodology? You should be in the position to answer very clearly to the reviewers. Sir, this work, this methodology already taken. For this work, the same methodology already taken. So by comparatively, I conclude that this is the superb methodology for this application, sir. So by doing comparison, I came to know that this CNN will be good for sinus segmentation, sir. How you are telling this will be good? Like that reviewer will ask you. You should have some proof. Okay, reference papers only proof. So based on these parameters only, I have identified this may be the suitable methodology, sir. We are going to try with this. Okay, we are going to try with this. We don't know how effective it will be, but if we do this experiment, then we can get some result. I'm going to compare this result with some other existing methodology, sir. Okay, CNN you are applying, there may be some other methodology already applied by some other researchers for the same purpose, sinus segmentation. Okay, you collect have 2, 3 or minimum 2 existing methodology to compare with your proposed. You are going to use CNN, means if you get the result from CNN for the same input image, you need to apply the some other technique. Okay, some other technique with the same input image, get the result. Your proposed methodology result should be superior than the previous one. So like that you are going to show. Do your work first, then use the same set of input, apply on the existing algorithm, get the result, compare it. That will be the proof for claiming that your proposed methodology is the good one. So in this way you are going to plan. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Then abstract, okay, I already told you while submitting the abstract, you need to enhance it. So due to the time lagging, I approved it to upload it to submit for project coordinator, but you need to enhance it. The content was not sufficient. Okay, so refer many papers. You can combine the abstracts from many papers so that you can reframe to get the correct flow. If I read your abstract, what field you have chosen, for what purpose in this field you are going to do, you are going to use some algorithm, how you are going to code, how will be the result, what will be the outcome of your project. In this flow you need to frame the sentence. Okay, so finally you can include the keywords, right? So when can I expect all these documents, sir? There is no time for this week. Actually, we have scheduled for literature review as per my plan, but literature review is not done. you are having only 4 or 3 papers. With 4 or 3 papers, if you do literature survey, it will not be good. Since you told that there is no much papers available on sinus segmentation using deep learning, okay, go for older techniques for the same purpose. Sinus segmentation, already existing method, you can search for. Definitely papers will be there. For deep learning, it may not be there. For older technique, it may be there. Definitely, it will be there. You need to spend time and identify what are the methodologies already they have used for sinus segmentation. Okay, sit in the internet, spend time. Every source is available in internet. Google, use Google. Okay, this is your project. Methodology is also going to be decided by your team based on your comparison. If you show the comparison, what you have done, I will suggest, okay, go with this, like that. I'll give suggestion. But every work you are going to do, code, including coding, you are going to try. I don't know from whom you are going to take the help, whether Google or any of your friends. You can do anything. You can do anything. Finally, I need result. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Fine. Why? There is no reply. Okay, good. Don't think that sir is talking in different way. Now, what are the questions I shooted now? These are the questions that will be asked during the review. So if you prepare, if you have the mock interview, sufficient mock reviews, you will definitely feel easy during your review process. Don't think that sir is finding more faults. This is for correcting our mistakes. Whatever I can able to suggest, I can give. Whatever the suggestions you have, then me by surfing in net, you can give your suggestion. Okay. Right. So if we have review like this only, we can know in what stage we are, what is our lagging time, what is the position we are in currently for our project. At least once per week, try to meet it like this. Okay.
Yes.
Right. So today Thursday, na. For tomorrow's document submission, is abstract you need to upload or only report?
Only
Weekly report.
Okay. Weekly report already prepared.
Sir, already posted in our group, sir, WhatsApp group.
Okay. Progress of the project.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So I have some issue. I'm opening in WhatsApp. Please wait. From where you collected this format?
This one posted in ECA group, sir.
Okay. Project title, sinus segmentation. Okay. 10th October 2020, program ECE minor project. Is this mentioned in template, ma? Trinath, ECE minor project 1156 EC 601. You mentioned or it was there in the template itself?
We mentioned, sir.
Okay, program means only ECG. Remove minor project and all.
Okay, sir.
Work completed this week. This week we searched for the journals related to our project for different methods of implementation and convolution methods for sinus segmentation. Problems encountered. Convolutional method for sinus segmentation does not exist in digital format directly. So we need to analyze the given input images and analyze the input data. No, this is wrong. Convolution method for sinus segmentation does not exist in digital format. What it means? Does not exist in digital format means?
Means most of the time convolution is made in not in digital format, sir. I mean some kind of device, hardware you're using, sir.
Hardware, yeah.
Uh,
No problems while doing this week work. What are the obstacles you faced? Now what you told, sir, only few papers are available, sir, for sinus segmentation using deep learning technique. This is the problem I have faced. You told orally, na?
sir.
That you can type here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So many paper, sorry, not sufficient papers available for sinus segmentation using deep learning technique. So like that, what are the problems you faced? You can mention that. Work plan for next week. Next week, we plan to continue searching for methodology and confirm a fixed methodology for sinus segmentation using convolutional neural networks using Python. Okay. Here, this work you completed. Here, actually, as per our project plan, literature review must be completed, but it is not yet completed. So you can keep as work completed. We have referred many reputed journal papers related to this project area. So, okay. This is the work completed this week. Next week, identifying the suitable methodology for our project. This will be your next work plan, next week. So while submitting the next week report, there will be column like work completed in that report also. There you need to mention identified or finalized the methodology for our project. Here you are mentioning this is the future work. In next week report, that should be completed. This flow you need to maintain. Okay, every week don't expect the supervisor to check it. You itself can have the flow correctly. Okay, so there may be some delay. It can be accepted. If you are not able to complete the literature review this week, you can complete next. You can extend next week also. That is possible. There may be some plus and minus in the schedule, but you should not deviate from the entire flow. Okay. Since the literature review is not completed this week, you can have the work plan for next week as literature survey continuation. Like that you can keep. We are going to continue doing the literature survey since we have not got sufficient papers from reputed journals. Like that you can keep for next week also. So next week also you are going to do the literature survey along with method identification. Now 1 week you are lagging. You have to work double so that you are going to complete literature survey. By analyzing others' work, you are going to identify the suitable methodology. This is your task for next week. Okay? Right. And please try to study the basics of deep learning, machine learning, convolutional neural network. What is CNN? Why you have chosen CNN for your project? Why not other methodology? What the full technical details of CNN you need to go through. Okay, everything is there in the net. The only thing is you need to sit and spend time. Okay. If you have any doubts, please do search. That's it. What are the links you are having? You are getting while searching for some other concept. You have all those links in your Word file. Sometimes it will be useful. Okay, download all the relevant papers, put it in a folder. Whatever the work you are doing, you have a Excel sheet, date-wise what you are doing. You please share that Excel file also while sending the report for approval. Okay, so that will be the proof, whatever the things you are doing in your home. Okay, Trinath, you need to work more. I'm expecting today, Saturday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, okay.
Okay, sir.
In that format, tabulation format, you must do the literature review. Okay. Suddenly they will keep 0 3 vibra. So that time you cannot have enough time for preparing. So that is what I am telling. Now itself, side by side, you prepare the documents. Whatever the reference paper you have downloaded, go through the full paper. Then only you can understand in what day you are going to write the journal paper. Even though you are going to prepare the paper in the end of the semester, now itself you have the look. You look at all the papers, you will get some idea. Then if you read the full paper, then you can know in what way they have done their experiment. In that way, you will be able to plan your work project. So you will be able to plan for your work. Okay, right. All the best. Do well.
Okay, sir.
Do
Okay,
well.
sir.
Please let us meet on Sunday. Do